Okay, this is going to be a quick video over volume and how we're going to measure volume. First of all, volume is just the amount of space taken up by an object. And remember, you should have some space down at the bottom of your page to do your summary. We measure volume through displacement. All that means is that we are looking at the amount of space an object takes up when placed in a liquid. For example, let's say that you have a graduated cylinder and it's measuring around 8 millimeters. I'll fix that in just a second. I know this is measuring 8 millimeters because, and let me get out a different color. The meniscus, which is where you see the dip, is right at the 8. So then I know, as I said earlier, this is 8 millimeters of water. Or excuse me, milliliters. I think I said meters a minute ago. So I want to drop a marble into this graduated cylinder filled with water. So I need another graduated cylinder to show you that. For a second, let's pretend like this is filled up with liquid. You're going to drop your marble into the graduated cylinder. And the water should rise. Now, mine's going to be exaggerated from the real thing so that you guys can really see what we're talking about. Now the water line is reading 11 where the meniscus hits. So that tells me that now filling up our graduated cylinder, there's a volume of 11 milliliters. So, all this was just to find the volume of our marble. I know, and here, let me do this over here. I know that the most I have is 11. So 11 milliliters from when the marble went in. The least I have is 8 milliliters, what I started with. Subtract that and you get 3 milliliters. So that means that the volume of our marble is 3 milliliters. Simple. So all we have to really remember is that displacement is the amount of space an object takes up when placed in a liquid, and that it's just basic subtraction. When you're done with your notes, you are able to go on to reading a graduated cylinder, and we're going to practice reading the meniscus of our cylinders.